Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your forgotten Windows 11 password. So basically, you can have a look here. I am running the virtual machine, Windows 11 virtual machine inside the VMware. If I have to type anything, then press enter, you will see that it is not doing anything at all. Now, I need to fix this issue. Now there are a couple of methods that you can use to fix this problem. Suppose one of them is basically you can use the CMD. If you open my YouTube channel, basically I have guided there a method where that is helpful, but somehow it is a bit time consuming and it's time for something new to learn. So if I have to hold on please.
Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine.
If I have to search for reset here, you will find out how to reset Windows 10 forgotten password without a software. Basically, this is a very clean method. It is not using any software, but that is very clean. But that's a bit time consuming, and for beginners, that can be a bit of a problem. So that's why I figured I have to use another method. So you should learn that. So this method is called Hiren's boot WinPE. Basically, it is a pre-installed application, Windows application. Basically, here you can see that Hiren's boot or pre-installation environment is a restored edition of Hiren's boot CD based on Windows 10 PE X64. It is available. It can still work with the Windows 11. I have tested. It is absolutely dashing it. So let's go ahead and begin the process. The first step is for you to download the ISO of the Hirens. So you have to simply search for Hirens boot WinPE. I'll also provide the download link in the description, and then you have to scroll down and click on it. The size is around 2.88 GB, around 3 GB you can say, so it is quite big. You have to download this application, this OS, which I have already downloaded. The other thing is you have to download Rufus, which we are going to use from it to create a bootable USB of the high-range boot WinPE. So you have to download the portable version, which I have already downloaded, and there is no need for me to download it again. So for now, I'm going to close all of these things. And the next thing is you have to attach your USB flash drive to the computer, which I already have, and here you can see it is already bootable. So launch the program of Rufus. After that one, you have to select the ISO of the WinPE. Basically, that is here it is. Now click open. From here, you have to select the USB flash drive, which is already selected, and select your partition scheme, whether it is GPT or MPR. I'm going to go with the GPT because my system's partition is GPT and the other things are okay. Now click start. It's going to copy all the files from these ISO inside the USB flash drive. Then you have to basically reboot your system or basically shut down and then press the boot key of your computer. Then you will be basically inside your BIOS. So inside the virtual machine, I am going to use this method. You can also use it uh, inside the actual computer. So from here, the first thing is that I have already attached the uh, ISO here. You can see that. And the second thing is once you are here, click on the power button and then hold the shift button at the keyboard and then click restart. This is going to restart your computer into the advanced startup. So basically, if I have to press the Windows AI, it's going to open the settings and then go to the advanced options. I think that was around here or maybe not. So if you go to the recovery options here, you can see that there is the advanced startup. Shortcut is you have to hold the shift and click on the restart. It's going to restart there. So and after the restart, from here you have to select use a device, and from here you have to select your USB flash drive. So for now I'm not using a USB, instead I'm using an ISO through the CD-ROM or the virtual CD-ROM. So I'll be selecting the second option, and after that one Again, it's going to restart and it's going to boot. So right now you can see that it is booting the WinPE. Basically, you can do the same thing inside an actual computer. So for now, it is initializing the Hiren's boot CD. So let me make it full screen. So here you can see that basically everything is good to go and we are ready. So once it is launched, go to the utilities directory. Okay, right now it is connecting to the network that is required, and that's going away in a second. So hold on a moment. Okay, now that's done. So open the utility directory, and from there you have to go to the security and then passwords. And from here you can see that there are three different tools that you can use to break your forgotten Windows password. So basically you can use any of them. So let's begin with the less soft password recovery. If you double click on it, it's going to open its window. uh, okay, now from here you have to select reset Windows password and then click next. It is saying that the free lazy soft formulation is licensed for non-commercial use only, so that's totally okay. Now click yes, and from here you have to select the Windows. That is okay. Now reset local password, yes, that is totally fine with us. And now click next, and from here you have to select the user, which is basically a boss, and from there you have to select next, and from here you have to select reset or unlock. So now you can see that it's saying that the password reset successfully. Now click OK and click finish. So basically this is how you can easily reset your forgotten Windows password. So you can also use the other tools if you want, but for now eSoftware has done the job. So for now everything is okay. Let's go ahead and restart the system and log in without the password. So right now you can see that the Windows 11 is booting easily without any issue. So we have to wait. So you can see that the password is removed. This is easily how you can remove your forgotten Windows 11 password using the Hiren CD WinPE. So let me know if you have any question regarding this tutorial in the comment section. So have a nice day, goodbye, and take care. Do not forget to subscribe IntoGuide YouTube channel. Have a nice day and goodbye.